Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to send your project to Omniverse View directly from Revit. Here I am in Revit and you can see that I've got just the standard default project opened. This is one of the templates that comes with Revit and I've just gone ahead and opened it up and now I'm here on the project. To send to view, there's just a couple things you have to know. Technically, it's actually straightforward. All you do is click this button and it'll send over to view, but there are a couple caveats, so I just want to make sure we cover them. Okay, so the first thing is we have to make sure that in our settings window that we have actually located our build of View. So this goes ahead and connects to my local install of Omniverse View. And to do that is very simple. You just click it, locate your brick install, locate the Omniverse kit brick bat file, and go ahead and open it. Once you do, View is now connected. Okay, great. So let's go ahead and save that. And now View is ready and connected, so we can go ahead and sync it. So let's go ahead and click our Omniverse View button, send to View. And now Omniverse View will be triggered to take this model. It'll convert and send it over to Omniverse View. Okay, that was very quick. Let's jump over to Omniverse View. And we should see that now in View, we have everything we need working as expected. Giving it just a few more moments to load up all the textures, we can see that these are coming in quite nicely. So now that we're inside of View, we have the capability of having a really nice viewport that will render beautifully and give us wonderful trees and really nice lighting and just really works beautifully. We have beautiful glass that looks just very realistic. And this is just from the direct send from a, kind of default project. So it's not even anything that's like really been meticulously made. It's just kind of a sample project. So, and it's already looking this good. And if we look at these trees, we can really see that it's got some quite beautiful detail in there. Okay, so now that that's been sent over, which was quite easy, that's basically all there is to the send to view. But there is one other thing that you might want to be able to do, and that is use your Omniverse View as a secondary viewport because it gives us such nice output. So let's go ahead and set that up, and then we'll go ahead and conclude this tutorial. So the first thing that we'll need to do is turn on Live Sync. So inside of Omniverse View, I'm just going to click this Live Sync button. Okay, so I'm going to hit Enable, and I'm going to say yes. It's going to go ahead and enable it and relaunch the scene. Great. Now, if I switch over to Revit, I can go ahead and go to my Omniverse panel and turn on Sync. So Sync on. Wonderful. Now it's going to go ahead and sync. Oh, and something that's rather important is when we did that send to view, it automatically populated our location of the USD on the Omniverse server. So that was taken care of for us automatically, and we didn't even have to do anything for it. So as soon as you send, it's actually ready to be synced. So let's just make sure that Live Sync is on. Switch back over to Omniverse View. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of do a side-by-side. There we go. And see if I can get this view to not be so bad. Great. Now let's go ahead and move this little windmill. Okay, here we go. And I'm just going to move it over to this little spot over here. And we should see that in Omniverse View, it moves exactly wherever we put it. So now we have a 1-to-1 and 2 viewports, and one which gives us really nice output, and we can rotate around and look from any angle we like and get a real world lighting scenario that is much more akin to the real world than what we get out of Revit. So this is a really powerful viewport that we can use for a multitude of other things, but we're not going to cover in this video. But for now, we can really see that as just a secondary viewport, Omniverse View has quite a lot of power. Okay, so that's going to conclude this tutorial, and I hope you found it enlightening, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.